Your AirMini does a lot of work while you sleep, and one of the smallest parts of the machine plays a big role in keeping it running clean. Here's how to replace the air filter on the ResMed AirMini, and how often you actually need to do it. The AirMini has a small disposable filter that sits on the side of the machine right here. It catches dust, allergens, and debris so your machine stays clean and you're breathing clean air all night. To replace the filter, first make sure your AirMini is turned off and unplugged before you start. Hold your device firmly and use your thumbs to push in and pull down on the filter cover to take it off. Remove the filter that is in there by simply pulling it out. To put a new filter in, line it up with the slot and press it in gently until it sits flush with the side of the machine. Put the cover back on by sliding it upwards and in, and you're all set. Remember to replace your filter every 6 months for optimal performance. Visit thecpapshop.com for more info. Thanks for watching.